drink a little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you. A little too much.
Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another little sneaker review. Please don't mind the noise in the background. I got some really crazy neighbors and I cannot control that, so I'm gonna try to, you know, edit that out so you guys don't hear, because it's annoying me. I'm sure it's annoying. So basically today I got a little bit of a Jordan unboxing, as you guys can see. As you read in the title, they are Jordan 1s, which is one of my favorite Jordans out of all the Jordans. Basically, I'm gonna show you what I got. I've been trying to get these sneakers for like a year now. I get these sneakers every single like summer, every season basically. I've ordered these like 5 times already. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what they are. So let's get into it. So yeah, typical Jordan box. I got a size 4.5 as usual. I always get a 4.5. Some I could fit a 4, but that's iffy. So I got the ones in white, all white. So these are just my little Uptowns basically that I get. They're not Uptowns, but I use them to replace Uptowns because I don't like Uptowns no more. So this is how they is. So these came in very clean, obviously. No creases, I'm big on that. No glue. Every time I usually go to, like, I got these from Foot Locker. Whenever I go to Foot Locker, I always find that there's glue on the actual sneaker. I hate that. I always make them go back in the back and get me another pair because I just don't like that. I do see a little bit of the, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little bit of the thread right there showing. So that's different, but yeah. Other than that, I have not tried these on. I know they fit me. So these are like my summer sneakers. I always get a new pair when they get dirty. I'm not bougie, but I just don't, you know, feel like cleaning them. And then these are the other ones. Actually, they better be the same. Okay, I was like, this one looks bigger. And why this one is untied? Does that mean somebody tried it on? It's untied because I have not tried these on. I got these 2 days ago in the mail and the shipping was super fast. Shocked. Everything else I ordered, I have to wait like 2 weeks to get it, but this literally came like in 2 or 3 days. So if you need some sneakers, definitely hit up Foot Locker. Yeah, like I said, I have not worn them, have not tried them on at all. It's gonna be a little quick review. I remember my other ones having like a little bit of a shiny, can you see that? Like a shiny part. Yeah, you can see it now to the actual check right there. I don't remember that. I don't like that this is untied, but that's just how it is, I guess. It don't stink, so. But yeah, these are my favorite ones out of all of the ones so far. So yeah, hard to keep clean, hard to not crease, but that's just how it is. I just want to show you guys what I got. It always also comes with this sticker. I don't know where I would put this sticker at. If you guys know, please let me know where the sticker is supposed to go in the box. I don't know. So yeah, that's my little review of these ones. If you check out my other sneaker reviews, I do have another pair of ones that I love so much. They were like a mustard color or whatever, but these are my all-time favorite, as you guys can see. Ordered them 5 times already, and yeah. I want to ask you guys a question. You see the serial numbers on the box or whatever this is inside? Does that mean that they had them in stock since 2017, or does that mean something else? Let me know down below if you guys know. I would like to know because I've been looking for these sneakers since 2000 and I think 19, but like the end of it, because I bought them and they kept. So these are Air Jordan white on white on white, size 4.5. I paid $90 for them, no shipping, so free shipping, no tax, from Foot Locker. I think it's kids Foot Locker, but they sell them on both kids and men's. Yeah, that's what I cop. Second cop of the year. The other sneakers that I bought, probably gonna sell them. I'm gonna sell the other sneakers that I have bought, the black with the white stripe, because they're like too big for me. I'm probably gonna just sell them on eBay real quick and make a little quick cash to get some other sneakers. I did want to get those 6s that came out. I think they're like the black and the gold ones. I'll put a picture up right here so you guys can see, but they $140 for my size, and I don't know, because I'm not going nowhere and quarantine is still happening. I bought these for future references because they're not going to get too small for me. I'm going to have them when I need to bust them out when I'm out of quarantine. So yeah, future reference. Any videos you see of me until my hair gets here, you're going to see me with a hat on because, you know, my hair is messed up. It's just like y'all. When y'all hair is messed up, y'all got a haircut, y'all put a hat on. So my hair is messed up and I put a hat on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. favorite Jordans right here. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments down below. Let me know if any other sneaker releases that's coming out that I should know about. I like colors like blue, white, black. I'm not a red fan, a gray fan, but any like blue, white sneakers or light blue, white, black, gray, I'm iffy on too. So yeah, any of those colorways, even mustard, let me know. Hit me up down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys ever had these. Do you like them? What do you think about them, etc. I know it's a quick little video, but yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got. I've been online shopping like crazy because I haven't bought any stuff for myself since I was working and stuff. I was trying to, like, you know, be responsible, pay the rent, the bills, etc, etc. But now that we in quarantine and I don't got nothing to spend my money on, I might as well just cop sneakers, right? So yeah. All right, anyway, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a comment down below of any new sneaker releases, and I'll see you next time. Bye.